So I'm just having some lunch. Guy's being very aggressive for no reason.
Camera now, as am I, obviously. You need to go home, sir. If you fail to adhere to that, you'll get a ticket.
Yeah, I'm just having my lunch though.
You need to go home.
Yeah, but I don't have a garden or anything, so I need this for mental health reasons. I need some sun.
Okay, but you need to go home. I'm not going to ask you again.
I know, but I've only
I'll
been
go
here
and
for
start
about...
writing the ticket out if you want.
I've only been here for about 10 minutes.
You can't sit in the park. Have you not been watching TV? Have you not
Yeah,
stay at home?
I spoke to...
Protect the NHS.
I spoke to...
Okay, you spoke to I've just asked you to go home.
No, I spoke to a police officer last week and she said it was okay as long as I was just for like 10, 20 minutes. Just, you know, have a sit down, get some sun. Because it's got a lot of mental health issues. I need to get some sun, just, you know.
Okay, well, I'll write you out a ticket while you sit there. Okay?
This guy's being an absolute prick. Literally just having lunch. Problem is, you know, this is making me really, he's come over really aggressive straight away. You know, I don't mind going. I literally just wanted to sit here. I've literally just sat down. I just wanted to sit down for like 5 minutes. Just to, you know, just have a lunch. This has made my mental health a lot worse, to be honest with you. You know, now I feel anxious. You know, my heart rate's gone up. I've got my Fitbit on. It's just, he's just come in really aggressive. Like, he didn't even ask politely. That's just, it's really out of order. There's no need for it. I'm not having that. That's, I'm all for, you know, leaving and stuff. It's just, you know, I do have a bad back as well, so I just want to sit down for 5 minutes. But, what you gonna do, eh?
Take your name, please, sir.
No.
Okay, failure to give me your name or we'll render you getting arrested, so this is your opportunity.
Terry Smith.
Sorry?
Terry Smith.
Terry Smith. Have you got anything to confirm your name?
No, I don't drive or anything like that, so...
Have you got a bank card on you?
Nothing. I use cash.
What's your date of birth, please, Terry?
11th of the 7th, 1990.
Where do you live?
Bulldog.
What's your address, please?
Is it 15? 12? I can't remember at the moment. My brain's gone. I'm just, you know, my anxiety's quite high, so...
You're only creating that situation by continuing to stay there.
Well, no, I'm happy to go.
You've given up on that option.
You just came here very aggressively for no reason. I didn't even get a... If you'd have just said, could you go on your way, I'd have said, yeah, no worries. But you've given me a panic attack here, so I don't want to... I just don't want to move, to be honest, because, like, you know, I just think we're going to get... I don't know, I just don't know what's going to happen, you know, I'm shaking, you see.
You're going to get a ticket and then you're going to be told to go on your way. That is it in a nutshell.
Yeah, I don't mind, like I said, but I literally just came here to sit on my lunch. I don't have a garden or anything, so, you know, I have tried to kill myself before and I need sun or I'm going to, you know, lose my... I'm going to kill myself indoors if I don't get a chance to just get some sun, you know. And I've literally only been here for about 10 minutes. I just wanted to finish this and go. I was happy to go. Yeah, I just scared to move, really. It's just like, You know,
There's no fear of moving. You just get up onto your feet and walk.
No, I know,
and
but
be in the sun while you're walking.
But I'm anxious and my legs are just sort of jelly, so I don't want to move.
But by staying, you're creating an even bigger situation, aren't you?
No, I couldn't move. I was saying anxious. I didn't know what to say.
What do you do
I'm
for a
just
living?
kind of. Well, I don't have a job.
I thought you said you were here. You were on a lunch break or something.
Just having some lunch.
And you're from Bulldog.
Yeah.
So why are you in Royston?
I'm being forced to sort of stay here because I'm stuck with a friend. So.
Sorry. No, thanks. Yeah,
And you
cheers.
can't-
He might get nicked because he's refusing to go, but and I can't verify his details.
Oh no, I'm happy to go. It's
just
just
need to
I'm having a
verify
bit
who
of
you
an
are.
anxiety attack. That's all.
So you're going to go, are you?
Yeah, I'm more than happy to go. Yeah.
So you've created that whole situation.
No. I was
You've
anxious.
persisted to a point where I'm not going to go. I've asked you to go. I've asked you several times to go.
Yeah, no, I was just
Yet
anxious.
you continue to this problem doesn't count for me because of whatever reason.
No, I just needed a few minutes just to sort of get my heart rate down.
But why didn't you say to me, can you just give me 2 moments?
You didn't really give me much of a chance to speak. I was kind of dumbfounded and.
Well, when a police officer asks you to do something, it is at normal circumstances to just do that.
Oh no, I'm happy to.
I'm a very reasonable person.
You came here very aggressive.
I shouted
It
at-
scared
because there was
me.
a gentleman sitting over there, and you were sitting there, and rather than me going over there and you go over there, I said, please, can you go home?
Yeah.
You just go home.
There were 2 people on the bench over there though that you just
I haven't
completely
got to
ignored.
them yet. I can't, as brilliant as I am, I can't speak to everyone in the park at the same time, and I haven't got a loud hailer.
No, but I'm just saying, like, you know, it's just I just got a bit scared and it was quite aggressive, so I just was like, oh, panicked a bit. So, like I said, I'm happy to go. I just panicked.
Why are you in Royston when you live in Bulldog?
Well, I'm stuck with my friend for like a few weeks because I can't leave. I'm sort of stuck in lockdown here.
Okay, so where you live in Bulldog, other people live there.
Yeah, I can't really go back to them. I mean, I could, but I don't know if that's smart. Because
So where are you living at the moment?
it's in Bulldog.
Sorry?
Oh, sorry, I was in here. Sorry, my brain's gone. But just anxious. But like I said, like I'm happy to go. It's just shaky. That's all.
Please go then.
Okay,
Don't
well,
create
no,
a situation.
yeah, okay,
And
well.
don't get your camera out waiting for some magical moment that you can post onto the internet.
It's
I don't
not-
give a damn, to be quite honest with you.
It's not
You
that.
just need to go. If you were anxious, you wouldn't be getting your phone out and videoing.
That's why I
You'd
got
just
it
be
out.
so anxious.
No, I
you'd
got-
be like, well,
I got it out
So-
just.
if you could get
to
up
save.
and go, then everyone will leave, and there won't be an issue, and everyone won't have to think, oh, what a pathetic waste of police time.
Yeah,
So
that's true.
get up onto your feet and leave.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
See, there you go. Well, let's go home and kill myself. I've got much else to do. I put the camera on because you just don't know with the police. I mean, they came here very aggressively, you know what I mean? It's, so just, you know, I mean, I'm not stupid, I know my rights. He was way too aggressive. Terry Smith. Terry Smith. He came here really aggressively, and that's the first time I've ever seen any police officer say anything. Do you know what I mean? I'm just trying to have a sit down and then eat. It's just so aggressive and just no need for that. I will be putting it online. But yeah, no need for that. He was never going to give me a ticket. He was never going to arrest me. Stupid. Call my fucking lawyer up. Stupid bastard. Let's go sit on a bed somewhere else. Of course. I want to finish my lunch. But yeah, he did, my heart rate's going, you know. I was trying to have a sit down and come out here to relax and sort my mental health out, and now it's made me feel worse. It's made me feel a lot worse, to be honest. Oh well.